Because of this pandemic, there is a sudden hype in the practice of urban farming. At hindi lang tayong mga ordinaryong citizens ang naluloko dito, even the celebrities. Urban gardening or city farming. Some of you might got the inspiration from the accounts of the celebrity, but let's go back. Saan nga ba nag-umpisa at kailan nagsimula ang urban gardening? It existed since the ancient times. Well, in fact, the very first evidence of it can be dated back at around 3,500 BCE Mesopotamia. It is one of the architectural and agricultural marvels of the world, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. In modern times, a lot of countries are practicing urban gardening. Countries like Singapore, Japan, South Korea, and even the Philippines. And one of the most interesting facts about this is it enables us to push with technological advancement. That's why there are people who've seen urban gardening not just as a hobby, but a potential business opportunity. Hi guys, this is Miles and welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about the basic must-haves for you to start your urban garden. Number 1, let's start with a good soil mix. A good soil is a characteristic of a good plant, and if you're living in a city, you can't just dig up dirt and put in plants. Two main characteristics of a good soil is number 1, it is well draining, and number 2, it is rich in organic matter. Soil mix is basically just soil mixed with organic matters such as coconut husk, sawdust, and carbonized rice hull, sometimes with compost which acts as an organic fertilizer, and sometimes it even includes the synthetic ones. For our garden, we use the soil mix ratio, but of course this is also available at your local landscape shop from 50 pesos to 80 pesos per bag. Number 2, we have the sunlight. Plant growth and performance is fueled by the energy from the sunlight. Putting your seedlings on areas where they can get 6 to 8 hours of sun per day will ensure that the seedlings will grow big and strong. This is a petri seedling with an 8-hour sun exposure, while this only has 2. But full exposure is not always necessary. There are some plants that can tolerate low light environment, like salad greens and some herbs. You can put this just above the windowsill. There are also plants that can tolerate low to zero light environment, but these are mostly ornamentals. Number 3 is water. This varies depending on the type of plant and the location that you're in. In the Philippines, which is a tropical climate and mostly humid, we water our plants almost every day and sometimes even twice a day. Choosing plant variety which can be watered less frequent like sweet potato could be an option for you. Or you can try onions and calamansi that don't require much water. Both plant loves dry weather that you can water it the moment that the topsoil is dry. Or you might want to try the hydroponics technology wherein you won't be needing any soil, just water. Number 4, we got seeds and cuttings. Here you got an option to buy or to get it for free. Most of the seeds and cuttings that we grow just came from the fruit and vegetable that we got from the market. The Bureau of Plant Industries are also giving away free seeds. You can check their Facebook page or their website for details. So far, growing from seeds gave us the highest success rate, but you can also try growing your vegetables from cuttings. We have also tried planting vegetables from food scraps, but these are the ones that already has roots in them. Before we move on to the last part of this video, a friendly reminder for those going out, please don't forget to protect yourself from COVID-19. Well, get the peace of mind because it is now easier and faster to protect yourself and your loved ones with FWD Insurance Kanduu Products. There is KanMend, wherein you can get 100,000 cash for medical treatments plus 6 months free telemedicine consultation. And there is KanLive, which is a life insurance of 200,000 plus you'll get 1 year unlimited free medical consultation. And finally, there is KanGuard wherein you can get 500,000 cash benefit in case of death or disability due to terror attacks. You can apply and pay online with no medical exam and no paperwork at all. It is so easy and so affordable that you are already covered for 1 year for only 1,799 pesos. The link is on the description box below. You can check that out for more details and don't miss these really amazing products from FWD. And number 5, this is the most important because this is not about your plans anymore. This is about you. You must have hard work and dedication. I don't believe in green thumb. Before, my mom said that she's not for gardening, everything she plants just died. But now, her rooftop garden gave us malunggay for soup, kamote for merienda, sili at kalamansi for our sausawan, and most recently, turmeric. With my mom's experience, I've realized that it's not because she has green thumb. It is because of her hard work and dedication. My mom has a habit of waking up 5:30 in the morning to water her plants, check out their soil condition, and plow them once in a while, give the plants their dose of fertilizer, and she's even making our own compost. I remember before when one of her plants suddenly died, she just, oh, it died. Maybe I'll just plant another one. But she never gave up. Someone asked me, why do you still have to plant vegetables in your garden when in fact you can get it cheap from the market? It's not always cheap. Do you remember those times that siling labuyo is 1,000 per kilo? Hilariously expensive. It's all over the internet. But really, growing your own food and the reward when you finally see something grow is baffling and undescribable. That's the first installment of my urban gardening video. I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. If you want to get updated of my recent uploads, please don't forget to click the bell notification button. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!